Welcome to the excitingly dangerous unboxing video for the Braun Series 3 electric shaver. Shaver. Like my special effects there. Alright, so yeah, I bought this thing CVS. And actually it wasn't a pain. Sorry, CVS, sometimes it's really hard to go to CVS because you stand in line, you wait for somebody to wait. But actually I went right after they opened and it wasn't so bad this time. So, alright, here's what you get when you buy the Braun Series 3. Regularly listed price at CVS was $45. I had a 30% off coupon. So, and then I get $5. What do they call that stuff? I don't know. $5 on my next purchase. So, CVS bucks or something like that. Anyway, so looks like a power cable for charging it. So this thing is supposed to be able to be used while it's charging if you want. It's also supposed to be able to be used wet or dry. Okay, this thing's got some kind of light blue color to it and comes with a cover. Okay, and the head pops off, so that's, you know, cool, I guess. It's supposed to do that, I hope. It looks like it comes charged already. Yeah. So, yeah, it's rechargeable. It looks like here's the two prongs to recharge it. Looks like a proprietary charger, so it looks like it's not a USB or anything like that. So that's interesting. That's good to know. Looks like there was something that was supposed to come in there and it isn't. So you get a booklet for if you're in French Canada, you can read that. So that's good for the Quebecers and Quebecois and US only. Oh, great. So there's a section in the manual just for Americans. That's nice. So anyway, yeah, that's the 310S wet dry razor. So you can see the heads are on there like that. I haven't used an electric razor in ages. And I remember them not working really well, but I'm going to try this out. I'm going to let you guys know what it's like. So that's all that's in that box. That's the unboxing portion of the video, in case you were wondering if you were missing something or if you just wanted to see what the actual razor looked like and they had it locked up in a cabinet somewhere or something like that. Approximate size. Fits the hand pretty well. It's kind of smooth though, so there's no real grips on the side, so if you're using it wet, you might drop it. I don't know. Anyway, I'll give you a review later when I try it out. So thanks for watching, and hit me a like, hit me a subscribe. Helps the channel. Maybe I can do more videos like this for you guys, because I'm trying to help you out. Alright, be good to each other out there, people. Do something nice for each other. Take care.